Each of us love ice cream. Make this cake for your kid's birthday or for your loved ones. It's yum yum good. Let's start. For the first step, you need 150 gram of Mary biscuit or any digestive or any sweet biscuit is fine, and 50 gram of melted butter, that is 1/4 cup. Grind it till you get a fine crumbs. Place the crumbs in a bowl and add the melted butter and mix well. I like to use the Mary biscuit for this recipe because the digestive biscuit will make the biscuit base hard. Apply butter with a tissue paper so that the ice cream comes out smoothly. Now add biscuit mix and press it down with a spatula or a back of a spoon and keep it in a refrigerator for 10 minutes. To make a mango ice cream, you need 400 ml, that is 2 cups of chilled whipping cream. Keep the electric beater in a high speed and beat it well. You will get a stiff peaks, or you can invert a bowl. The cream will not fall. This is the perfect consistency. Now you have to add 1 cup of condensed milk and mix it well. Next you have to add 1 cup of mango puree. Mix well. This is the consistency you will get at the end. Add few mango cubes. Pour the ice cream mixture on a biscuit base. Add the mango puree on the top of the ice cream mix, and with a stick, gently move the hands clockwise and anti-clockwise. Arrange the mango pieces as shown in this video. Cover it with a cling wrap or aluminum foil or any lid. Now you can keep it for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. After taking out from a freezer, keep it in a refrigerator for 10 minutes before cutting, and you can use the knife dipped in a hot water. This will easily cut the ice cream cake. Thanks for watching.